Mommy, Happy New Year. What? Mommy, Happy Anniversary. I love you. Okay.
Thank you. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, VIP TV Vlogs. Yan guys, binigay ng aking mahal na asawa na si Erwin. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you sa pabulaklak sa ating 20th wedding anniversary, Daddy. Ayan. Ah, diba? Ayan. Thank you, Dad. Love you, love you. Guys, yun guys, pa-thank you tayo kay Daddy Erwin. Daddy, thank you sa pa-flowers. Bangon. Thank you. Ayan.
Oh my God! Wow!
And thank you sa flower. O, diba? May kiss pa. Thank you.